Google just announced a new AI model called Gemini Omni that completely transforms how AI video generation works. It can take multiple inputs all at the same time, for example, images, videos, audio, and your text to generate a video for you. So let's unpack this a little bit and see how this works. Here's an example. Gemini has provided two inputs here, a reference image of a man and a storyboard that talks about how a man goes on an adventure to find gold and the best pizza. Gemini takes both these inputs and creates the video of this man on his adventure based on the storyboard. Pretty cool. Here's another example. The AI model has four different inputs, a reference video, an image, music, and a text prompt that provides instructions. Gemini is able to use all these inputs and generate a video that captures the style and the vibe. Another really cool example, you can change prompts to make small iterations or small changes in a video. This is a very cute video where the first video shows a little boy and a butterfly. In the next video, you can change the prompt to change the butterfly into a bee. And in the third video, if you want, you can change the bee to a swarm of bees. So small iterations over time, you just need to change your prompts. Another example, you can also change the angle of the camera in the video. For example, in this video, the camera faces the person playing the violin. You can change the prompt to say, hey, change the camera angle to be behind the violinist's shoulder, and that's exactly the angle that the AI video will show you. After watching all of these cool examples, I of course had to try it live. So I provided Gemini Omni model a reference video of my dog and his toy, and I asked it to create a fun video. This is what happened. This was my first time trying Omni, so I saw a welcome message, and after that I uploaded a 10-second reference video and an image and asked Omni to create a video of my dog playing with the toy. The actual generation of the video maybe took around 5 minutes, but I was super impressed by the output video. Here, take a look and judge for yourself.
Look at your new toy! Do you like the dinosaur?
As you saw, this is huge for creators, for teachers, for students, or other professionals who need to create videos on a day-to-day basis. With AI on your side, all you need to be is behind the camera and in the director's chair. And that is all for today's video. Follow for more.